Hi, boys and girls. It's time for math. So make sure you have your packet open, and we are on the Thursday page on week 4. Okay, number 1 says, find the unknown number to the number sentence 4 plus 7 equals 3 plus blank. So let's solve this side of the equation because we have both those things that we can add together, the 4 and the 7. So 4 plus 7, what does that equal? Did you get 11? Yes. So on this side of the equal sign, we need it to equal 11. So we have to think, what is 3 plus what gives us 11? So is 3 plus 7 11? Nope, 3 plus 7 is 10, and we need one more, so maybe it's 3 plus 8. How about that? Is 3 plus 8 11? Yeah, it is. So that is our answer there. Okay, number 2 says write in number form. So here we have an expanded form number, 700 plus 30. We're going to push it back together and put it as our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. 700s, 3 tens, 0 ones, 730. Okay, number 3. We're going to write this number in expanded form. So 982, when we stretch it out, is 900 plus 80 plus 2. Awesome. Okay, you ready for today's number? Today's number is 438. 438. Did you write that down? You're listening to it and writing it down. 438. You should have written 438. Perfect. Number 5, we compare numbers. We're going to use the greater than, less than, or equal sign. So here we have 2 numbers. We're going to look first at the hundreds. This one is 700. This one's 800. So we can tell which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number just by looking at the hundreds. We're going to use the less than sign. It's going to open up to the big number, and it's pointing to the smaller number. Okay, so for this one, we need to read it and solve both sides before we can go and compare the numbers. So we have 8 tens, 5 ones. So we can write 8 tens, 5 ones like that. Over here, we're adding 80 plus 50. Now I like to write it vertically because it's easier for my brain to add it. So that's always a good choice for you to do. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And then we have 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, what does that equal? It equals 13. So we have 130 on this side. So we're comparing 85 to 130. This one has no hundreds, so this one's the bigger number. So we're going to use the less than sign again. Okay, we are ready for the last problem today. Let's slide this up some. It says that we're going to solve using the place value chart, which I've drawn here, and vertical form for the problem 429 plus 168. And I write that making sure that my ones, tens, and hundreds are all lined up. I look at the sign we're adding, draw my line. Now, since we're adding, we're going to draw both sets of numbers here because we're combining them, we're putting them together. So our first number is 400. I need 4 boxes, 2 tens, and 9 ones. Oh my goodness, I skipped a problem, didn't I? Before I go on with this, I guess I should do number 6. I forgot it. We're supposed to draw 810 using the base 10 blocks. Our hundreds are the boxes. Our tens are sticks, and our ones are dots. So 810. Our hundreds, we need 8 boxes. There's 4. There's my 8. I need 1 10 and no 1s. So that's that answer there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, or hundreds and 1 10. 810. Now back to the problem we're doing. So I have drawn 429. Now I'm going to draw 168. So I have 100, 6 10s, 8 1s. Okay, now remember we're going to start in our 1s and we're going to see if we can bundle together enough 1s to make a 10. Well, we have 9 1s right here. So I need to bundle those. How much do I need to add to that 9? I just need 1 more, right? So if I circle these and one of those, there I have a 10. And I'm going to draw an arrow over here, and there's my stick of 10. So over here, I'm going to say that I moved a 10 over. I'm going to put it right there. How many 1s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I'm learning my facts and I say 9 plus 8, we should know that that's 17. So we have 7 1s and 1 10. The 10 we moved over here. Now on my 10s, I can look and see, can I bundle up 100? Well, I had 6 here. This makes 7, 8, 9. Do I have 10 sticks of 10 to make 100? I don't, do I? So I just count them all up. And that again was 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And now I can add my hundreds. 4 and 1 more is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So there's our answer. I box it, and I'm going to write it up here in the equation. And there we go. That's today's math. Thank you for doing your math with me. I'll see you tomorrow.